Howdy YouTube. We went and had the tiles mounted today. Cost me roughly, I think it was 40 bucks. Got them mounted on the old rims. I kept the old tiles just in case I didn't like these ones. I have a feeling I will like them. But yeah, they filled up a lot after we put some air in them. So now these are actually taller than what those will. But I just figured I'd show you guys that we got them mounted, and then we're getting ready to mount them on the foil over there, and then we'll show you after that. So we're going to show you that, and then we'll be right back.